Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a countdown on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can go and check out some videos on Snapchat. We have stories where you can check out stories from your friends, the camera roll, and in the bottom left corner, we have your location and your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a countdown on Snapchat. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. So go to your profile and friendship profile or friends you want to create a countdown with. Scroll down to countdowns. Then tap the plus new and add a title. After you have typed on add new, choose whether to keep the countdown private or share it with friends. After you shared it, then select the date and add a specific time for the event. Of course, alternatively, you can set a countdown or video timer on Snapchat while creating a new snap. Then open Snapchat and tap the plus icon to create a new snap. Then access the timer options, adjust the timer duration, and confirm your timer settings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.